recently when I put a Lionel air whistle unit in a Marx WM Crooks baggage car, some of you are like, yeah, okay, that's cool. But I know a lot of you were thinking, oh, whoop-de-doo, let's see you make it chuff. Well, introducing the Marx WM Crooks with Sound of Power. I was able to fit a Lionel sound esteem board in the tender of that. I had to remove the large capacitors and put modern day smaller ones. They're still the same value, 470 for the large, 470 microfarads for the large one, and 100 microfarads for the two smaller ones. And it fit in there and sounds pretty good. Thanks for watching. God bless, and never forget Jesus is Lord.